Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, October 25, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, but I am a bit tired from the week. This coffee wakes me up.
Yes, coffee is the best start. I like mine hot and black.
Here is yours black, no sugar. I put sugar in mine.
Thanks a lot. It smells good today.
Yeah, the machine works fine. So how was your week? Busy as always.
Very busy. Projects keep coming. Yours?
Same here. Sales calls non-stop. But hey, did you catch the news this week? Lots of big stories.
I did. The government shutdown is everywhere. It started almost 1 month ago.
Right. Now it is day 23 or something. No deal yet.
Exactly. From CNN, they say Senate Democrats block the funding bill again. Vote was 50 to 43.
Wow. Republicans want changes to health care. Democrats say no.
It drags on. Over 750,000 federal workers furloughed. No paychecks.
That is rough. Imagine no money for rent or food.
Yes. And military families use food banks now.
Scary. In sales, clients talk about it. They worry for the economy.
As project manager, I see delays. Government contracts stop.
True. Our company might feel it less business.
Farmers cannot plan crops. No tools from agencies.
Yeah. Shutdown hits stages. First, non-essential services close.
Then payments like on October 15. First direct deposits gone.
People feel it now. Airports slow down too.
National parks empty. Tourists turn away.
Not good for anyone. Trump pushes for cuts. Democrats fight back.
It is a standoff. No compromise soon.
Hope they fix it. We need open government.
Me too. It affects jobs everywhere.
Okay, enough on that sad news. What about tech? AI data centers.
Oh yes. The New York Times has a story on it. Data centers boom with AI.
But power use is huge. Like a barometer for tech health.
Right. Capacity grows fast, risk of AI bubble too.
Bubble like .com crash?
Maybe, but power is the issue. Centers eat electricity.
One center uses as much as 40 million homes.
Goldman Sachs says 50 gigawatts new capacity needed.
Crazy. Electricity prices up 6.5% average.
In some areas, wholesale up 267%.
Our bills rise because of this.
Yes, AI drives demand, utilities strain.
Environment suffers. More coal or gas plants.
Carbon emissions grow. Global fury over it.
Tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft build more.
$800 billion in commitments this year.
Wow. But in office we use AI tools. Helps work?
True, but at what cost? Energy crisis possible.
Governments must regulate. Like in California privacy laws.
Balance innovation and green energy.
Nuclear takes 20 years. Gas is quick but dirty. We need smart plans, or prices skyrocket.
Exactly. It is a sleeper issue for elections too.
Voters angry at high bills blame data centers.
Yes, spread across country, even near ranches.
Impacts everyone, from homes to offices.
We adapt. But think about future power needs.
Scary but exciting, tech changes world.
Now lighter news, streaming services hike prices?
Yeah, USA Today reported it. Up to $5 more per month.
Major ones like Netflix, Disney, Hulu.
Due to content costs, more shows, movies, subscribers furious, affordability problem.
Families cut back, choose less services.
I pay now $15 for Netflix. Goes to 20?
Ouch, I share with family, but rules tighten.
Password sharing ends, extra fees.
It is controversial. Entertainment not cheap anymore?
Remember when it was cheap, now luxury.
Society shifts, digital access key.
But hikes add up with inflation.
Yes, people react on social media, boycotts talk.
I might cancel one. Watch free YouTube.
Huh? Or wait for sales.
True, but quality content costs money.
Studios need funds. Actors, writers strike memories.
Right? Balance for viewers too.
It reflects bigger issues, cost of living up.
Yeah, news ties together, economy, tech, fun.
World connected, we discuss at coffee.
Best part of morning, chat like this.
Agreed? Help start day positive.
Now my meeting in 10 minutes. Sales report.
Good luck. Mine is project review.
You got this. See you later.
See you. Have a great day.
You too, stay caffeinated.
Always.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.